Okay, now that I have created my first course in System.io, so if I go to uh, courses, then I'm gonna see the course here. So now I'm gonna sell it. So you'll see it's gonna take just a few minutes to create an entire sales funnels to sell the course. So the first thing is really to add a new tag, because I recommend you to create a basic tag like leads, so someone who opted in on your list might be from your blog, might be from Facebook ads, might be from YouTube, but they haven't purchased yet. They might purchase in the future, but not yet. So that's like a very basic tag that we have. And then we're gonna add a new tag that's like a client of like first course, Okay, so now what we want to do, we want to create a sales funnel and add the tag client first course when someone purchase. So we're gonna go to funnels. So I'm gonna remove this one and we're gonna create a new one. So um, selling first course. Okay, I'm gonna click on sell. I can change the currency. We're gonna go with US dollar. Yeah, so that's it. I have the two pages. I can add a sales page, of course, but right now I need to actually select the template that we're gonna use. So I actually like this one. That's the one I use to sell my own products with Systemeio. So you see it's pretty neat and clean. So of course I can, change the design, remove basically everything I want. So it's very convenient. Can remove the whole section here. We can move absolutely everything we want. So it's really, really powerful, really convenient. You can connect. So you should connect your Stripe and PayPal account. There is no obligation to use the two of them, but I recommend to use these two, because I think that you're gonna lose sales if you don't offer PayPal as a payment option. So we use Stripe and PayPal. And right now what we're gonna do, so we're gonna select a template for the thank you page as well. I like this one. Okay, same here, you can edit it with the editor, do absolutely anything you want. So here you can set an affiliate commission. So we do have an affiliate program. We use Systemeio to power our affiliate program. So here you set the affiliate commission that you want. So we have a great thing within Systemeio. It's the way we actually give access to the online course. So we have something called resources. So these are resources that we give the customer access to when he purchases. And what's great is that if the customer asks for a refund, then we will remove the resources we gave him access to. So in the case of, for example, a subscription, because you can also sell subscriptions with Systemeio. We actually use Systemeio to sell Systemeio, and it's a subscription. So if the customer cancels his subscription, same thing, the resources he had access to are going to be removed automatically. So usually what you want to do, you want to add a tag. So we're going to add the tag client first course, and what you want to do is give access to the membership course. So we're going to choose it. So that's first course. And here you can set if you want to give full access or drip content. So for example, if you have a big course that you sell for $1,000, maybe you want to give full access to people who pay in one time, let's say $9.97. And maybe you want to give access over the time, maybe access to one new module per week to people who pay with the installment plan. So it's totally up to you. But if you set some delay between the lectures in the membership course and here you select full access, of course, customers will have full access, okay? So that's it. You see how easy it is to actually sell a product with Systemeio. You can try it for free for 14 days. Just click the link below the video.